Vaultek's online dashboard is a simple way to manage your safe and set preferences. It can be securely accessed from any web browser. Visit dashboard.vaulteksafe.com to access the online dashboard. The initial web page screens will guide your setup. If you use the Wi-Fi smartphone app to get your safe online, simply log in. If you use WPS to get your safe online, watch the WPS introduction video to set up your account and access the main console. The main console shows a detailed view of your safe and its various settings. It shows if the safe is charging or the remaining battery power. You can also set the interior light brightness and disable the sound by simply clicking on the corresponding icons. As an example, anytime the safe is opened, tampered with, or even if the battery starts getting low, the online dashboard displays the status and sends an alert based on your notification preferences. The online dashboard can also display if the safe is unable to communicate and goes offline. This triggers an alert. This will allow you to check your home for any network issues causing the safe to go offline. If the safe is in low power mode, a notification will not be sent if the safe goes offline. View the low power mode video for more information. The Overview tab provides a general status of your safe and is great for managing multiple safes at a quick glance. The Fingerprints tab will show all enrolled fingerprints for each safe you are paired to. Each fingerprint can be renamed, temporarily disabled, and deleted by the safe owner. To add additional safes, you can click Add Safe from the safe list at left. Then follow the on-screen instructions to pair a new safe.